Welcome to the ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited channel. In this video, I am going to give some of the few instructions and suggestions for most of the members, those who are want to working in and abroad. Every biomedical engineers have a passion towards on working in a tier 1 industry like G Healthcare, Philips Healthcare, Siemens Healthineers, like that. So for that, the academic subject is only enough. Is not that. You must have a knowledge about, along with the academic, you should understand about the internal circuits. But in most of the institutions, it is not possible to open the device and see the equipment circuits inside. But the interviewer, the passionate biomedical engineer, particularly expecting the experience gathering on handling the internal circuit of the internal, that is medical devices. All the equipment, almost 75% of the equipments had a hardware part inside. There are so many electrical, electronics, instrumentation role is there in the equipment, from starting with the stethoscope to ending with the high radiology machine. All these things covered coming under the electrical, electronics and the instrumentation. Once you are well known about the anatomy of the human body, then the next step every person's required to handling the device, how to troubleshoot it, how the circuit is functioning, how the motherboard is functioning, how the SMPS board is functioning, how we can able to send the output, whether it may be in a signal format or whether it may be in a digital numerical format, binary format. All these things the particular biomedical engineer should know. So for that, the particular engineer need to open the any devices. It may be a stethoscope or sphygmomanometer or pulse oximeter or oxygen concentrator or whatever the equipment it may be. The most important thing learning is what is inside the device, because the demonstration part the doctor may know, the demonstration part some of the other peoples in the hospital they may know, but the internal circuits only the engineers can able to know. So once you are knowing about the internal circuit, then that is a basic thing required for most of the recruiters. Almost 99% of the tier 1 recruiters, they are expecting the person having a experience on handling the internal circuits of the machine. Service engineers, sales engineers, application specialist, all these kind of the categories of the biomedical engineering job role require the person should have a knowledge about the deep knowledge about the demonstration and the internal circuits of the machine. So that is what we are keep on trying to adopt, that kind of the knowledge to the participants. So don't wait for anything. Get a training wherever the particular kind of training happens. Open the device and just seeing about the internal circuits and learning about the internal circuits and gain a knowledge about the how to troubleshoot and how to calibrate, then it is very comfortable for you to be placed in a tier 1 industry. So keep learning and keep following ATHEENAPANDIAN Private Limited for learning more number of things to getting a job in the tier 1 industry. Thank you very much.